Hi guys, welcome to my cocktail vlog and a short video tutorial on how to make a liquid flag of Slovakia. First you have to find drinks with suitable colors. For 3 shots we need 4 shakers. Now you have to make a gap between 2 shakers. Luckily my big ice cubes and these shots are the same size. Then pour all the flag colors into the shakers and we're ready. And if you close your eyes, a real flag should also appear like in this video. But be careful and don't spill too much. For more flags and also for real cocktails, feel free to subscribe to my channel. You would make me super happy.